so we are here at the mall and we are going to Legoland. So this is their first time at Legoland.
Yeah.
So we're about to have some fun. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
So they did not know that we were coming here, and I kept telling them we have a surprise for them today. So this is the surprise.
Yeah.
Alright, hey guys, so we are out and about today. We have a surprise for the girls. We're going to go on an outing. I think they already know where we're going because Daddy had said it out loud. But we are at the Great Lakes Crossing Mall. They have a lot of fun stuff for the kids to do out here. We've done two of the things that they have out here for the kids to do, the Sea Life and the Peppa Pig, but it's one that we have not done yet. So we're about to do it today.
Lord, we're going to see Lord.
We're not going to Sea Life. We've been there already, Kyler. Alright, so we're going to talk to you guys when we get inside the mall.
Legos are in here. There we are. And they're lady robots.
Put it around your neck, baby.
They're so cute.
I know, come on, let's go.
Where the Lego designers use their imaginations to create magic. We'll take you down to Ivory Floor soon. But first, we need Lego creations. Bye-bye. See you soon.
I would like to have you off.
Keep going, baby. Alright guys, so how was that first ride? Alright, that first ride was fun. Oh, we can see our pictures right here. Look, I'm messing with the camera. Look at Daddy. He was serious. Alright, so this is downtown Detroit. Wait, is it downtown Detroit?
Yeah.
Stop running, guys. Yep. That's so super cool. Okay, here's the best one. I'm gonna show you guys the best one. Alright, so we have made it inside of Legoland. That is the entry. What we were just at, that was like super cool entryway. And it was like all Detroit, Michigan type of theme. And I loved it. Like, that was wonderful. Now, we're just letting the girls explore because there's a play area. And so, we're going to let them play. Huh? Why do you want to take off your shoes? So this place has 2 rides and Kristen is too small to ride. So we're hanging out. We're gonna watch them ride the ride. It's like a merry-go-round type of ride. She's too small though. So the girls and Daddy are going to do the ride and she's upset. You guys know Kristen has a lot of personality and she gets mad easily. Look at her. She's trying to escape. How you gonna watch them if you get down? Huh? How you gonna watch them if you get down? So let's watch them ride and then we'll do something else fun, okay? Kyler! Alright, so they have this like play area and we're just letting the girls play. Kristen, why are you messing with my hair? Me and Kristen are just sitting, hanging out until they get done playing, I guess, because Kristen is too small. Don't want her to get lost. But I think she's gonna get into some of the fun. If you go in, you have to take your shoes off. You going in? Hi.
No, we're going to see it next.
Cheese! Are you having fun? Yes? Are you having fun? Hey, hey, kids? Yes, it's kids here. Are you having fun? Yes? Maybe so?
Back to it. Chris, come here, baby.
What?
Come here. Come on.
Yay, we won! We got 100!
Or it could have been maybe like
This house.
everybody is ready to watch the movie. We're having so much fun. This is an experience, and I'm happy that we are doing this experience.
So guys, they
That's hard.
four. You see the four? Kyla, Kyla, say hi. Kyla, yeah. That's not you. I know. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. She was dancing. You need the glasses to see the movie. So, I don't know, when is the movie gonna start?
Brick World is a completely unauthorized Lego movie theme park located next to but not associated with Legoland. For legal protection, this invitation has been written on a ghost.
Alright guys, so we are out of Legoland. Did y'all enjoy? Y'all have fun? Alright guys, so we have conquered Legoland. We are all done and we are leaving the mall. And if I say so myself, the girls had fun. Did everybody have fun?
Yeah.
Alright, so everybody have fun. We're going to show you guys some pictures that we took when we first walked into Legoland. But until next time, we're going to see you guys later. Hey!
Ow!
Hey!
Come on.
Alright, bye.